Hi guys, it's Sharon Hartley from My Keto Journey, and I just quickly want to share my lab results with you. I have been doing keto now for 10 months. I have lost over 70 pounds, over 30 kilos, and I really have found that keto has been the only way for me, the only way that I've been able to do weight loss and also just to feel better in myself and to live a healthier, happier life, a lushful life. So I'm lowering my carbs, I'm upping my fats, I'm satisfying my fats with good fats, I'm satisfying my hunger and happier and healthier. So that is what Lush stands for. Now, I had taken my blood test over a week ago, and I have the results with me up here. I have them all on paper that I've memorized them. I had to have quite a lot of blood tests. I had my hormone levels checked, I had my testosterone checked, I had my full panel, my kidneys, my liver, my creatine, platelets, everything like that. I got checked B12, iron, my lipids, my LDL, my HDL, my thyroid, and yes, so pretty much everything around the spectrum of what you should be having with blood tests, your A1Cs, insulin resistance, everything, pretty much everything, your sex hormones, everything. So, I will tell you a little bit about my history with my health. I was diagnosed with polycystic ovary syndrome in 2011 in America, in the United States. I was having heavy cycles. They were coming irregular. Sometimes I would be going 3 months without one, and very extremely painful. And over the time that I've been living there, every single time that I've been going to my doctor, they have been doing a hormonal check and my sex hormones and my testosterone, and each time it has been coming back saying that I had polycystic ovary syndrome. And so since doing keto for 10 months and losing all this weight, my cycles are now lighter. There's still a little pain, but not as bad. And regularly about 3 days a cycle now instead of 7 in bed with painful periods. So this time I had all of that checked. I had my sex hormone checked, I had all my hormones checked, I had my testosterone level checked, and I got quite a shock. My doctor said that I did not have polycystic ovary syndrome anymore, and she wasn't sure if I had ever had it. So I'm really kind of rather surprised and shocked, and of course, I'm happy about that. She didn't say I may not have ever had it, but she's just unsure. She said with the ketogenic diet, maybe that's what helped it just completely off the charts. Just now I completely do not have it. Now I have been told and I have read that polycystic ovary syndrome is not treatable or curable. It is treatable. You can treat it through keto. I have seen many people with polycystic ovary syndrome. They have been treating it with keto and same results as mine, with the cycles being regular, things like that. So it can be treated with keto. Now, the next thing I was concerned about was my A1C and being insulin resistant, because I do have quite a lot of fat on my stomach area and my thigh area. So I thought, with the polycystic ovary syndrome, which I've thought all my life that, well, since 2011, that I had, I thought, oh, I have insulin resistance because I have been a little shaky like this. Have had hypoglycemic things. So my doctors again in the States had said that I was pre-diabetic, hypoglycemic. Never had tested me with bloods or anything like that. So I had my test, and no, I am not pre-diabetic. I am not insulin resistant. Everything came back fine. It was within the normal range. 5 was what I am, and between 7 and 30 is the normal range. So I'm perfect. I'm below normal. Average is about 7 or 8 is average. So that was awesome. The next thing I was thinking would be a little higher because obviously with all the fats that we eat, with the animal fats, with the good fats, with the avocado fat, the coconut fats and everything like that, I thought, oh, okay, my cholesterol is going to be up. So first I'm going to tell you that my LDL is the best that it's ever been. I had seen my doctor here in Melbourne back in 2009 was the last time I had seen her, because I haven't sort of been back to the States since 2011, so I haven't had need to go to the doctors over here, obviously, but I have been seeing the doctors at home, and I haven't had a test after keto with my doctor in America because insurance is just crazy. Like, it was $550 for me and now it's $750. So I have no more major medical. We have cut that out completely. So we're going to be in a little rut if something happens to me, but let's hope and pray that nothing does. So my LDL back in 2009 was close to a 7, which was not very good at all. And now it is a 3. So I am just, wow, like my HDL is a 1.1, which is perfect. So with the LDL, I am having fats, I am having the animal fats, I'm having the skin on my chicken, I am having avocado, coconut oil, bulletproof coffee, you name it, heavy whipping cream, everything that people would think, oh, that is so bad for your health and not good for heart health and everything. I'm telling you guys, over 10 months, it evens itself out. It may be higher if you have your blood test done very earlier on, but your body is going to adjust and it's going to just even itself out. So that was great. Now, the next thing was all my liver panels, my kidney panels, and my vitamin Bs, Ds, B12s. Excellent. Now, what is on the broader spectrum is my thyroid. I have had my thyroid checked every time that I go to the doctors. Never had a problem. So it is 4.48, and the average range or normal range is 4. So it's 0.48 over. So it is hiking up to being the hyperactive thyroid. I do have to have a retest in 6 to 8 weeks, but seeing as I won't be here in 6 to 8 weeks, I am leaving in 6 weeks to go back to the States. So I must have a blood test before I leave. So I'm seeing my doctor again on the 17th of January to retest those elevated thyroid. And I guess she'll talk to me if it's elevated about medication, but I don't believe that I will need medication because I'm doing the ketogenic lifestyle, and that is great for people who have thyroid conditions. My husband has thyroid, an overactive thyroid. He is on medication, but cutting out things such as dairy, such as any aspartames, any other artificial sweeteners such as maltodextrin, marithanol, polydextrin, things like that, just have to be more strict. So I believe that I will get this thyroid under control. I'm not too concerned about it. Now, with a overactive thyroid, you can also have heavy menstrual cycles. You can have migraines. You can actually get a overactive or underactive thyroid from dropping a large amount of weight like we have. And also if you are overweight, so if you're struggling with your weight and struggling to lose weight, that can be maybe a cause. So if you're gaining weight on ketogenic, or if you've been overweight, please, if you're going to go and get your bloods, get your thyroid checked. So I will keep you all up to date on that thyroid condition. All in all, I'm really happy. I am extremely happy that everything come back normal, because in the back of my head, I had kind of thought there's going to be some kind of issue. There's going to be some kind of issue there. I just know there's going to be something, there's always something in the back of your mind just irking you. But I am happy. Like, my whole life, I have abused my body. I've neglected my body. I haven't given it what it needed. I haven't given it the nutrients or good food that it's needed. I've always eaten junk, and I've always had an addiction to carbs, an addiction to sugars. And this 10 months has really taught me something, guys, that your body is a temple, that we need to look after our body to function, that we need to lose weight, that we need to get up and exercise. And ever since I've been here in Australia, I've been exercising and I feel wonderful. Like, yes, at first I was very kind of hesitant to get up and to walk. And I was the one that was stopping myself. I was that wall that I kept hitting. And I never knew how great it felt to be healthy until now. And that's 35 years. It's taken me 35 years to take care of this body. And, I know that there's going to be consequences to me abusing my body and neglecting my body. And those consequences are loose skin. They are loose skin, guys. And I will tell you that I would much prefer loose skin over being obese or morbidly obese. And I'm still obese. I was morbidly obese when I started. I started at 305, which was 138 kilos, and now I'm down, like I said, 70 and 30 plus. So now I'm obese. So I'm trying to get into that normal average range for my height, and my body mass has actually come down. It was a 45, and now I believe it's 40. So it still needs to really drop down. But all in all, guys, I'm happy with the results. And if you have been to your doctors, and if you would like to share your results with us, or just your weight loss results, your health results, because this is not just about weight loss either, it's about health benefits. So if you've been on a number of medications, if you've been on insulin and now do not have to take insulin, please, we would love for you to share your results with us. Please share them in the comments below, and I hope that this video has helped you to know that I have been doing this for 10 months now. I haven't been sick in quite a long while, but I have just recently got sick with this with a cough and congestion and things like that. It's going away, but it still irks me. But I have not been sick, touch wood. I have felt just great. So I'm going to continue this path with you guys even when I get to my goal. And I really think it's going to take about another year for me to get to my goal. I'm in no rush. I'm just enjoying this experience with you all. I hope that you're having a great day or a great night wherever you are in the world. Keep the cortisol low. Keep the stress low. I know it's the holidays and we're all like, last minute shopping maybe. The 24-hour shopping at the mall tonight. But just please, guys, be safe. Be safe on the roads. Just be safe walking. Just be safe. Okay, guys. I love you all. Well, bye.